I have two parts. I'm sorry, the video cut off with the last part. So final thoughts. Richard states, she brings up 9/11 in her chapter, stating that after tragic events such as 9/11, our country has a great need for developing the highest intellectual, emotional, and ethical potential for everyone, especially those with gifted potential who will be leaders and opinion makers in every field and nation, and who will determine whether our future will be filled with justice or devastation. So allowing citizens, individuals to have access to these programs can truly shape the way we interact and we live in our world in the future. So programs for students with gifted potential can be equitable, defensible, pragmatic, and serve the needs of both students and our planet if we follow these practices. Adopt a comprehensive and pluralistic definition that includes diverse potentials among all demographics and ethnic groups. So having a very broad definition that's very inclusive of what it means to be gifted. Develop cost-effective multiple program options that integrate emotional and ethical as well as intellectual potential and require subject areas rather than just non-essential enrichment. So making sure our programs are being used for their purposes and are fulfilling students' needs. Recognize that the purpose of identification and programmatic provisions for the gifted is not to label or to reward achievement or conformity to local school expectations, but to find and develop exceptional potential to serve humanity. Use appropriate data from multiple sources about cognitive, creative, and other abilities from sources beyond academic achievement to identify gifted abilities. Renorm academic achievement and other instruments to overcome bias against various disadvantaged groups, particularly the poor and culturally diverse. Identify up to 25% of school student populations so that if errors are made, there are errors made out of inclusion rather than out of exclusion. Fund intensive staff development to improve the effectiveness of all teachers in invoking maximum cognitive, emotional, and ethical potential. Thank you.